welcome back to my channel. Last time, we talked about Annex 4. Now, let's talk about the requirements to be complied by ships under MARPOL Annex 5, Prevention of Pollution by Garbage from Ships. MARPOL Annex 5 requirements for ships. MARPOL Annex 5, part of the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. MARPOL 73/78 focuses on preventing pollution by garbage from ships. It sets strict guidelines for managing and disposing of various types of waste generated on board. Requirements for ships. So first is the garbage management plan. All ships of 100 gross tonnage and above, and those carrying 15 or more passengers, must have a written garbage management plan. This plan outlines procedures for minimizing, collecting, storing, processing, and disposing of garbage. It also designates personnel responsible for implementing the plan. Next is the garbage record book. Ship of 400 gross tonnage and above, those carrying 15 or more passengers, and fixed or floating platforms engage in sieve, exploration, and exploitation must maintain a garbage record book. This book records all garbage discharge operations, including the date, time, position, description, and estimated amount of garbage discharged or incinerated. Next is the placards. Ships of 12 meters or more in length overall and fixed or floating platforms engaged in sieve, exploration, and exploitation must display placards notifying crew and passengers of the discharge requirements of Annex 5. This placard should be written in the ship's working language and for voyages to ports under the jurisdiction of other MARPOL parties, also in English, French, or Spanish. Next is the discharge restrictions. Annex 5 generally prohibits the discharge of garbage into the sea, with limited exceptions. The discharge of all plastics, including synthetic ropes, nets, bags, and incinerator ashes from plastic products, is strictly prohibited. The discharge of cooking oil is also banned. Next is the special areas. Discharge of garbage is more restricted in 6 special areas designated by MARPOL: the Mediterranean, Baltic, and North Seas and Gulf area, the wider Caribbean, including the Gulf of Mexico, and the Antarctic area. These areas have greater sensitivity to pollution and require stricter controls. Next is the cargo residues. Ships must classify bulk cargoes as harmful to the marine environment or not. No cargo classified as HME can be discharged at the sea and should be disposed of at a suitable reception facility. Compliance with MARPOL Annex 5 is crucial for protecting the marine environment and demonstrating environmental responsibility. Ship must implement effective waste management systems, train crew members on proper disposal procedures, and have access to garbage reception facilities in ports. So that's for all, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.